Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to log out of Google account on your Android phone. So if you want to log out on all Google services like Gmail, YouTube, Google Play Store, Google Maps or whatever, you need to follow those steps. Let's open settings. The steps may be slightly different depending on the device you're using. So we will use the universal way. We tap on the search bar and here just type account. Accounts. So now select something like password and accounts. In my case, password and account. Here you can see all the accounts on this device. The accounts with Google logo are the Google accounts, so we just open one of them. And here there is the remove account option. Tap on that. Thanks for watching. If you have any tips how I can improve my content, tap them in the comment section below.